Looking to streamline your project management? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to master Gantt charts in Lucid to keep your team on track and your deadlines met. First, let's define our terms. What is a Gantt chart? At its core, it's a horizontal bar chart used in project management to track tasks against a specific timeline. Understanding the key elements of a Gantt chart is essential. You'll find tasks listed on the vertical axis, while the horizontal axis represents time, with bars showing task duration. Why use a Gantt chart? They help you visualize your entire schedule at a glance, identify where tasks overlap, and ensure every team member knows exactly when their work is due. How to show task dependencies. In Lucidchart, you can connect bars with arrows to indicate that one task cannot start until a previous one is finished, maintaining logical flow. Identifying the critical path using the Gantt charts is vital for success. This sequence highlights the most important tasks that, if delayed, will push back your entire project completion date. You might wonder about Gantt chart versus PERT chart. Gantt charts are timeline-focused and great for tracking progress, whereas PERT charts are better for mapping out complex task dependencies initially. Using Gantt charts for resource management is easy in Lucid. Assign team members to specific bars to see who is over-allocated or where you have extra capacity across the timeline. Avoid common mistakes in Gantt charting by keeping your chart updated. Don't make it overly complex, and always ensure you've accounted for dependencies and realistic resource limits for your team. Ready to build your own? Let's walk through a step-by-step tutorial, how to create a Gantt chart from scratch, or using a pre-made template in Lucid. Start by opening the Lucidchart template library. Search for Gantt and select a layout that fits your project. Then, simply list your tasks and drag the bars to set durations. Now you're ready to manage projects with confidence. Sign into Lucid today to start building your Gantt charts and keep your team aligned.